Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome everyone to Iqra with Iqra. Today, inshallah, we have our QMQ day Qaida memorization Quran. You have the opportunity, you have the chance to call in and to start your sabak or read wherever your sabak is from the Qaida. Simply need the lesson number and the page number. We also have the letters from our original qaida towards reading the Quran, Alif Ba Ta Tha, which we can also have on the screen for you. And Quran, Jahata Quran ka taluk hai, it is your job to call in and to read Quran, read the surah, the verse, tell us the surah, tell us the verse number. We want to on screen for you. Okay, memorization again. That is, where have you memorized from? Is it the last juz? Is it the beginning juz? Is it the ayat from the middle? Where have you started your memorization? So keep all three in place. Qaida, memorization, Quran. These are the three subjects that you can call in on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, 3 days in the week. 3 days in the week, you can call in and make your sabaka. Let's go to callers and let's see who we have. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Is that Maisha?
Yeah.
Okay, Maisha, where are you going to read from?
Page
Are you on loudspeaker? Are you on
No, I
loudspeaker?
did.
Are you on loudspeaker? Oh yeah, you were earlier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the it's coming back. Well, my voice is coming back. She's gone. Next caller. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
That's better. Is that Maisha?
Yeah.
Ab theek hai. So she's not gone. She's still here. That's good. You're still here. Maisha, your sabak is from where?
Page 28, lesson 11. I'm on the fourth line.
Lesson which one?
11.
Okay, lesson 11 and line.
Fourth.
وألقت, yeah?
Yeah.
وألقت. Okay, it's the fourth line, lesson 11. وألقت and أفلا يعلم and إذا بعثر.
Yeah.
When you're ready, it's on the screen.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وألقت أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر.
Okay, give me the rules in all three words.
So the alif is going to join with the lam because it has a sukoon and it's going to be a short sound because of fatha, and the qaf is going to join with the ta.
Now listen. I told you yesterday, Maisha, fatha, kasra, dhamma, and the sukoon. The rules you know now, right? Sukoon, it joins to the letter before. Sukoon, when you see a sukoon, it joins to the letter before it. So alqat, all you need to say, qaf is full mouth because it has the quality of isti'ala. Okay?
Okay.
Afala ya'lamu. Give me the rules in afala ya'lamu.
Okay.
There's only one rule I want. Afala.
lam-
Go on.
So the lam is going to stretch
Because?
because it has ya madda.
No, alif madda. Alif madda. Okay, next one. Idha bu'thira. I want two rules.
So that is going to stretch because it has a alif madda.
Okay. I said two rules. Second one.
The ba is going to join with the
No.
ayn.
I don't want you to say ba's going to join the ayn. It joins to the letter before. I don't want you to say the other way. Another rule. That rule you know. There's another rule. That's not the rule I'm looking for.
The wa is a full mouth better.
Right. Because?
The fatha.
Fatha. So you have to finish explaining the whole rule. Okay, next line.
Okay. فألممها
أي
فألممها
No, فألها. First letter is a ha. فألهم.
فألهمها
Uh-huh.
فجورها وتقواها.
Okay, give me the rules.
From the first one, they're all short sounds, apart from the ha, because it has the alif madda.
Okay, fujuraha. There's 3 rules in fujuraha that I want.
The dream is going to first because it has a wa madda.
Okay.
And the wa's a full mouth, that's off. And the ha's going to stretch because it has the alif madda.
Okay, wataqwaha, there's 3 rules I want. No,
Okay.
4 rules. Wataqwaha has 4 rules.
The qaf is qalqalalata. The wa's going to stretch because it has the alif madda, standing fattah. And the ha's going to stretch because it has the alif madda.
1 more rule. I said 4.
The ta's going to join with the qaf before it.
No, the qaf is a full mouth letter. It has a quality of isti'la.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much. We'll do the...
The what?
Yeah, read the dua quickly because your time's up.
I see someone smiling.
Pardon?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhaq Allahu sunnaka.
Jazakallah, Ameen.
Can you read the meaning?
Yeah, go on, quickly. You don't have to ask me, just read it.
May Allah keep you smiling.
Jazakallah, thank you so much. Ameen, Ya Rabbil Allah, always keep you smiling too. Ameen, next, give it to you, Shah.
Okay. He's just reading now.
Ji, Yusha.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu Yusha, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, not bad. Sabak is from?
On page 24, the first line.
Page 24, the first line. The page 24 is lesson number 7.
Yeah.
Lesson 7, okay. Lesson 7, when you're ready.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Sorry, lesson 24.
Ar-Rahim.
Wait, did you say page 24?
Yeah.
Lesson 7, page 24, lesson 7. Carry on.
Bismillah ar-Rahman
Tan,
ar-Rahim.
San, Jan, Han, Khon, Dan, Dan, Ran, Zan, San, Shan, Son, Don, Ton, Zon, An, Ran, Fan, Qan, Ken, Nan, Man, Nan, Wan, Han, An, Yan.
So these signs are called what?
Double fatah.
Yeah, double fatah, tanween fatah, do zabar, okay?
Yeah.
Remember tanween fatah. And the rule for tanween fatah is?
Short sound.
And
And
it
a bit-
makes
And noon sound.
noon sound. Next slide, please.
In, bin, tin, fin, jin, hen, hin, din, din, rin, zin, sin, shin, sin, din, tin, din, rin, rin, fin, qin, kin, lin, min, nin, win, hin, in, yin, yin.
Okay. This sign is called
Double kasra.
tanween kasra. Remember
Yeah.
the word tanween. Tanween fatah, tanween kasra, tanween dhamma, yeah? The do zabar, the double fatah is tanween fatah, double kasra is tanween kasra, double dhamma is tanween dhamma. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready.
On, pon, ton, ton, jon, hon, hon, don, 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 ron, zon, son, shon, on, don, ton, don, on, ron, on, 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 lon, mon, non, won, on, yon, yon.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you. Do you have a surah to read?
Yeah.
Which one?
Maybe Surah Lahab.
Off by heart? Are you reading off by heart?
Yeah.
Okay, start.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله
ماله لامز ضمة ماله
وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Usha. Let's go to our next caller now. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Al-salam, Samaya, how are you doing?
Good.
Lovely. What are you going to read from?
تلك رسول.
تلك الرسل فضلنا. Third sipara, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready. Off by heart.
Yeah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تلك الرسل فضلنا بعضهم على بعض منهم من كلم الله ورفع بعضهم درجات وآتينا عيسى بن مريم البينات وأيدناه بروح القدس ولو شاء الله ما اقتتل الذين من بعدهم من بعد ما جاءتهم البينات ولكن اختلفوا فمنهم من آمن ومنهم من كفر ولو شاء الله ما اقتتلوا ولكن الله يفعل ما يريد يا أيها الذين آمنوا أنفقوا مما رزقناكم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا بيع فيه ولا خلة ولا شفاعة والكافرون هم الظالمون الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بعلمه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يعوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم علي العظيم لا إكراه في الدين قد تبين الرشد من الغي فمن يكفر بالطاغوت ويؤمن بالله قد استمسك بالعروة الوثقى لا انفصام لها والله سميع عليم. That's all I'm reading.
Lovely. Next time 257, yeah?
Okay.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Very good. As-salamu rahmatullah. Excellent reading by Samaya and Insepel. Before Samaya, we had Yusha and we also had Maisha. So great stuff. 3 regular callers, and I do want more regulars to call all the time, of course, but new callers, fresh voices, new voices, make an effort to call in and read your sabak, read Quran, qaida, memorization, Quran, QMQ. This today is that section. Tomorrow is going to be this section too, where you get the opportunity to read your sabak, your individual sabak, your personalized sabak from the qaida, your personalized memorization, and your personalized Quran recitation, looking inside and reading. So you make your own Quran khatam, you make your own personal qaida khatam, and you memorize as many ayat and surahs as you can. Next caller, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Who's calling?
Alicia.
Anisha.
Alicia.
Anisha.
Alicia.
Alicia.
Yeah.
From where?
Bradford.
How are you doing, Alicia?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am good. Are you 6?
7.
You haven't called in a while, have you?
No.
What happened? You got busy?
Yeah, I got too busy.
What were you doing? Working or something? Do you work? Huh?
I've been trying to get through, but it's not been going through.
Why not, Alicia?
I don't know.
You don't know?
And
Oh,
then it was my masjid time.
oh, Masjid. You go to Masjid.
Yeah.
What time do you go to Masjid?
4:30.
4:30. Good girl. Okay, chalo. Let's give. What do you want to read? Qaida, memorization, or looking inside and reading Quran?
I want to read a surah.
Which surah?
Wadduha.
Off by heart?
Yeah.
Okay, let's listen to. Remember, if you're going to read what, how many surahs do you know off by heart?
Okay, let me just check 2 seconds.
You can start reading and tell me the answer tomorrow if you want.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة
وللآخرة
خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى
ووجدك ضالا
فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Okay, very good. Very good.
I memorized 24 surahs.
Okay, so you memorized Surah Layl and Shams as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
I'm doing a shams.
Huh?
I'm doing a shams.
Oh, you're learning what Shams at the
Yeah.
moment. All right. So what I want you to do, I've listened to Duha today. Next time
Yeah.
you call me, I want to listen to another surah that you've memorized.
Okay.
So we have to go in order. What you do next time, do Surah Layl.
Okay.
And then we'll come down to Alam Nashrah, then Surah Teen. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, Alicia. Have a good day in your masjid, yeah?
Yeah.
Allah Hafiz.
Laughing.
She's a good girl. She has to go to the masjid about 4:30. So for Quran classes, obviously. But yeah, she was a regular caller and she doesn't get through, so she says. And but I hope I get more calls from her tomorrow and the days, weeks to come. Next caller, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Anasullah,
Yeah.
how are you doing?
I'm going to Yusuf.
Good. Where are you going to read from?
This is Surah Baqarah.
Where from?
Just from the beginning.
Are you going to start from the beginning?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about your memorization? I want you to start
might do
memorizing. Huh?
I might feel that when I call again.
Okay, so how much have you memorized? Remind me.
Surah Baqarah.
How much have you memorized?
Oh, I memorized Amma Para and Surah Baqarah, only like 2 rukus.
Right. So I need to listen to. I need you to start memorizing more.
Yeah.
Okay. Baqarah's on the screen. Start reading.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم ومن الناس من يقول
If you're going to read fast, don't miss out the ghunnas. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ مَن. After noon sakin, there's ya, idgham. Idgham ghunna. يرملون ya, okay?
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب عليم بما كانوا يكسبون وإذا قيل لهم ما تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلوا إلى شياطينهم قالوا إنا معكم إنما نحن مستهزئون الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم في طغيانهم يعمهون.
Okay, good. Next time 16. Remember that, okay?
Okay, fine.
Okay, Jazakallah. After the break, we'll continue. Everyone stay put. Assalamu alaikum.